What happens after this happens? After the first responders leave? When what you had is in ruins? Who do you now call to remediate this catastrophe? You can call us, Insurance Restoration Specialists. Whether it's a fire, flood, storm damage, biohazard, or chemical spill, we have the people, tools, and know-how to bring the situation under control and move your operation back toward normalcy as quickly as possible. That's why so many insurance companies, municipalities, real estate managers, hospitals, law enforcement agencies, hotels and hospitality groups, and industrial facilities turn to us. We're Insurance Restoration Specialists, the IRS you want to hear from when something bad has happened. We're fully staffed and equipped to turn your situation around 24/7. We're highly experienced, vetted, and certified as recovery specialists, capable of doing nearly everything it takes to get you up and running again. A true turnkey operation, from cleanup through reconstruction. IRS is located in central New Jersey and serves the 5 boroughs of New York City and the Philadelphia, Pennsylvania area. At each of these facilities, you'll find seasoned experts using highly specialized tools and processes to recover and restore as much of your assets as possible, while providing valuation and inventory services for what can be saved. We will even pack, transport, and house your assets in our climate-controlled facility while your building is cleaned and restored. Contact us so we can discuss our capabilities and understand why we're the ones to call when disaster strikes. But you can get peace of mind now. With an IRS Master Services Agreement signed in advance, we can respond without delay in the event of a catastrophe. There's no retainer required. Ask us how you can prepare for the future today.